Hi, this is VC Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to check your posted video on Snapchat. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. On Snapchat, you can repost someone's video to your profile. So, what if you want to check your reposted video on your Snapchat? It's very simple. First of all, of course, you have to open our Snapchat. Now, from here, you can go to your profile. You can tap on the up left corner here to your profile. And you can scroll down until you find there is an option my favorite and repost. So here's all your reposted videos and also your favorite spotlight on your Snapchat. And if we want to repost someone video, maybe like this, you want to repost, you can just repost. There's like a repost button on here. You can just tap on that and also in here, and you can check the reposted video on your profile. Scroll down, and here's my favorite and repost. You can view all. Here's all your reposted and your favorite videos on Snapchat. It's very simple, right? So that is how to check your favorite and also your reposted video on Snapchat. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.